Hi, my name is Dr. Kumar Vadivel. I'm a board certified periodontist. I see patients in my office all the time. They ask me what is an all-on-4 because they have heard about what all-on-4 is, but they don't know actually what it is. So I'm here to show you what an all-on-4 is. Hang tight and keep watching. So the way the dentures or the teeth work, for example, these are the teeth, and you get dentures when you have most of the teeth kind of like all bombed out. So you need to have a complete reconstruction of your mouth. And these are the traditional dentures you can get, what we call it as a grandma type denture. You don't want to be like a grandma. You want to have some teeth and they look really nice and good and stay comfortable and stay fit, and they're going to last for a long time, and you're going to have a good quality of life. So the way the all-on-4 teeth work, instead of having a traditional denture, now you're going to have a set of teeth that are completely fixed in the mouth, just like you see in this model right here. See here, they're all completely fixed and they don't move. Unlike the traditional denture, which comes in and out like this, this is all-on-4, which is completely fixed in the mouth. And as you see here, there are 4 implants. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the teeth are fixed in just the 4 implants, the complete set of teeth, and that's why it's called an all-on-4. If you have any questions, just click the button below to make an appointment, or come visit with us if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We are happy to help.